And
Yes.
right.
It's double.
There. Is it on this line? It's on some platform.
It's on the slow line.
You may want to go further down a bit.
Why?
Whoa! I ain't going further down a bit in case the bridge falls down.
It won't. It won't fall down.
There's been maintenance on this thing for years. What is that? Train. London Midland. Yeah, it's stopping. Yes! We get a clear picture.
Diana, she's beautiful.
How do we
She
get onto the
is
platform?
beautiful.
We can't get onto the platform.
Bad.
There she is.
It'd be funny if the doors on the wrong side opened up.
That'll be well.
Yeah.
What would you do if a Virgin train came right up behind that one and smashed
Hello.
into... I see somebody just drinking a milkshake in there and they're just staring at us.
Yeah.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Good girl. Good girl. What's wrong with that?
Yeah. Oh, what?
We got.
Come on,
There is one more coming though.
there's another one coming though.
It's going that way. We know there is because we looked at the timetables.
Why do it?
It's double-headed. She's double-headed. And there's a network rail vehicle there.
What were?
Oh, I just heard a horn. I heard a tone. I think I heard an alert.
Yeah, that train up there.